pops off. And
it looks like this was actually part of it.
Yes.
Okay, it's just rusted all the way through, so it's not gonna... Oh, that's the back of the muffler.
That's the muffler.
Oh.
That's why it sounds like a boat.
Yeah.
Okay, so that pops apart there, and then this pipe.
Hi ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to the channel, and if you want to see a LODAB and a BODAB make a mess of trying to change the exhaust on a Toyota Land Cruiser, this is your video.
Later. We are at the rear of the vehicle. What do we have to do here?
I don't know, this must have a brake in it somewhere, right? Because it doesn't come up.
Nope, it doesn't.
And out that way, does it?
I wonder if we have to drop the spare.
Oh, that spare has to come off. That's a mission for today as well.
Does it disconnect right there?
That thing without the bolt in it. That thing that holds the whole exhaust together without the bolt in it. All right, that pops off. And
it looks like this was actually part of it.
Yes.
Okay, it's just rusted all the way through, so it's not gonna... Oh, that's the back of the muffler.
That's the muffler.
Oh.
That's why it sounds like a boat. Okay, so that pops apart there, and then this pipe gets fished up over the top.
Yeah.
And
dude, I would just cut this right off.
Word. Why don't you want to come off? Hey, can you get that cutter in there? Or you want to hold this end up? I'll get the cutter in there. There's got to be a better way to do that.
Ivan's right. All we need is a cutting wheel that's big enough to go through that pipe, so finally I just go get one.
A nice open slot. No, don't start it with that in it. Let it get running. Stop. It's a shard of metal.
You're absolutely right. This thing would definitely not have fallen out. What is this thing?
That was the end of the
yeah, but what is all this? Like, why is that on there? I don't know. Like a counterweight, maybe? There's one back here too. Ooh, that's like a freaking spaceship triangle hanger. Look at that.
Some high tech.
That is some high tech.
Mr. T knows what the he's doing.
So what do you think? If we drop, oh, we can't drop the back of it down because it's got this. It's the rear. It's got to move. The whole thing has to go forward to clear the bumper here.
Frustration escalation. We started with cursing. We've moved on to just noises.
I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in a geometry loop.
And now we're laughing about it.
Fuck you.
You know what has to happen?
What's
the body has to come off the frame.
Oh no, he said it.
Yeah.
You say it, now it's so.
Yeah.
If I could pull the whole thing back, it would come right off, but it...
We haven't started inventing curse words yet. It's coming.
Hell yeah!
Geometry. This is...
It does. It has a downpipe. That's about it. That's raw. That sounds good.
Yeah, again. How many gears like that?
Damn. Fixed it. Fixed it. Fix it. Shed some light on this situation. We'll shed some light.
Picking pieces up there in a second.
Yeah. I've got this side. There you go. There you go. It's right. It's right there. Just gotta get this. Gotta get this in the right place here. You gotta get it in the right place. Slide it on. There we go. Okay.
once that's on, it's committed.
Yeah.
So let's just get started a little bit.
Here.
Okay.
So this goes on like that, and then we can. Yeah.
All right, I'll hang this one then.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And then we'll put a clamp on it. Okay, so we got plenty of wiggle room here to put this on.
For the 1600, right? So it's all there. I don't know if you probably don't have mice in there though.
Wandering dingy. Yeah, that's what I needed. I need a snake in my garage.
Yeah.
Because my cats are not doing their job. Well, we did it. I don't know how, but we did it.
Slide way up high.
Way up firm high.
You may be wondering why we're crouching while doing this. Well, this is as high as we could get the truck without touching the roof to the ceiling of the garage, so we had to spend the day on our knees and crouching down, which is problematic for aging LODABs and BODABs.
Woo! You're on.
Is this through?
Yeah, yeah. Tip's on. All right, I'm letting go.
Yeah.
All right, hails. Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Let's take a break.
Oh, balls. There you go. Now we just have to, you know, put some bolts on.
Hinges, bolts,
Yeah.
gaskets.
Yep. She's hung.
Like
I don't know. I got nothing.
like a Land Cruiser.
I'm like a Land Cruiser. But fit the gas. We're gonna fit the gaskets on there like that. Fit the gaskets on there like that. Fit the gaskets on there like that. Let's see. We actually have lock washers. What a concept.
Now this is hardware that we had in the shop because the kit didn't come with new hardware.
Ooh. Look at those ringy dingies. Take that one out because I think it's probably the wrong. Here. Yeah, it's got the wrong. Won't have a nut. Did you have it? Okay, you have a nut for that one? Yeah, okay, cool. So we have there,
Okay.
right there.
Back.
Yeah.
Easy.
What do you think?
Should have spun that around before we put them over the bits, so we could have just given it a twist and then. Motherfucker.
Because that's at an angle right now. That's not good.
No.
We're just giving you the update.
Sheba. Oh my goodness. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah. There we go. One on. Yes, gaskets are in all of those.
Need to be snug.
They just need to be snugged.
U-bolt snug. This is snug. You think that's all right? Not quite touching the heat shield?
It's fine.
We're gonna have a little frame rattle. That's my concern.
I don't know what you can do about that.
Maybe loosen this and give it a pull.
Try to pull it down that way. Loosen that and try to
Give it a tug, yeah.
might have to loosen that too.
I don't think that'll turn because of the way it's.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. That's pretty centered on the heat shield.
Good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Keep flying here.
Thank you for letting me use it. I don't know where the other 14s are in the box, but we'll find.
Yeah, there's a bunch of...
Buddy, what is this?
I have no idea. I think that may have fallen off of Steve's.
Or out of your box? Do you have a box of bolts you don't?
Yeah, but that looks like some sort of wiring harness.
Let's leave it here.
All right. The sound test is first.
Yeah.
What
it sounded like a bolt.
Now what do we get?
Can't even hear it. Turn it on.
Yeah, how about that?
Electric vehicle.
How about that?
That's pretty effing quiet.
Yeah. Nice job.
There. Quiet. Clear. Clear. Clear.
Bye.
The new truck.
Sounds great. I'm exhausted.
Say.